So sometimes when I do a video, it's to address a certain conversation or situation. So spark plug interval replacement. Maintenance of your vehicle is not waiting for that component or fluid or filter to be completely failed or destroyed. Maintenance is before that happens. So when someone says, I don't know what I'm talking about with 100,000 mile spark plugs, recommendations from the dealerships who put in triple platinums, iridiums, and all that crap, I don't care what they say. Yes, will that spark plug not wear out as fast as others? Wear out meaning uh, electrode to ground strap. Absolutely, they last longer in that aspect. But the carbon deposits, the contamination, the antifreeze, the contaminants get around all that stuff and not necessarily cause a misfire, right? Which is a failure. So I've pulled spark plugs out of engines that have uh, water contamination from the fuels they're using or excessive additives in the gas tanks, all on iridium spark plugs. Not many cars today don't come with, the higher quality spark plugs. But what is happening to the rest of the spark plug that's in the cylinder? It's becoming contaminated. And when that air and fuel ratio mists or vaporizes in the cylinders, it soaks into those contaminants, those deposits that build up, and then causes a misfire or an imbalance in that cylinder, but not enough to cause a misfire. But over 100,000 miles, it starts to deteriorate other things in the system, putting more carbon on the valves, putting more combustion in the crankcase, so on and on and on. So when someone says I don't know what I'm talking about, I absolutely know what I'm talking about. Maintenance of your vehicle is not defined as waiting for catastrophic failure or failure. It's replace it before that happens. And 100,000 miles or 120,000 miles for spark plugs is way overdue. No different than engine oil. 10,000 mile oil changes is way overdue. You're servicing it at catastrophic failure time. Thanks for watching.